All right, let's look at the homework 6.3, problem number 7. All right, so let's use GeoGebra to find the area bound for trapezoid rule and Simpson's rule. All right, so let's do that. All right, so to find the area bound for trapezoid rule, this is the formula, and k being the maximum of second derivative over the interval from a to b. In this case, from 0 to 1. All right, so let's do that. All right, so I'm going to bring up GeoGebra, right? And we don't need graphics, so I'm going to just X that out. All right, so I'm going to define function f. So f of x is equal to e to the 3x squared. All right, then hit enter. All right, so we have a function already defined. Then we need to find the second derivative. So f double prime of x. So, all right, GeoGebra can compute the second derivative. And we want to maximize over the interval from 0 to 1. But as you can see, everything is positive. So this is going to be, and it's an increasing function. This is going to be maximized at x equals 1. All right, so I'm going to set k to be f double prime of 1. Then hit enter. All right, so k value is already found. So all you have to do is just compute this. So it's going to be k times b is 1 and a is 0. So it's going to be 1 minus 0, which is 1 anyway. And raise it to the third power and divided by 12 times n. N in this case is 4. 4 raise it to the second power. Right, and then hit enter. Right, so you can see it's 4.39, and I forgot what precision they want. Let's see, they want 4 decimal places, so we're gonna go there and go to option and change it to 4 decimal places. All right, so it came out to be 4.3937. So I'm going to just put 4.3937. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got the part A correctly. All right, let's do part B. All right, so it's a very similar, only difference is k is the maximum of the fourth derivative, so we have to compute that and then use this formula instead of that formula. All right, so bring out the calculator. All right, so I'm going to compute, let's see, I'm going to compute the fourth derivative, so f1, 2, 3, 4 prime of x. All right, and again, this function is going to be maximized at the 1 instead of 0. You can see that if you plug in 1, you're going to get a bigger value. So I'm going to redefine k to be f fourth derivative at 1 and hit enter. All right, so that's the new k value. All right, then we can find the k times. All right, formula is b minus a, which is 1 minus 0, raise it to the fifth power. So I'm just following this, divided by 180 times n is 4, raise it to the fourth power, and then hit enter. All right, so it came out to be 1.1769. So let's type it in. All right, 1.1769. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got part B correctly as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.